In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add superscript to numbers in Google Docs, specifically turning 21 into the 21st with superscript. This is a really handy trick if you're looking to format text for academic papers, reports, or any document where specific formatting is key. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to docs.google.com. Once you're there, log into your Google account if you haven't already. This will bring you to your list of documents, and from here you can either open an existing file or create a new one from scratch. For today's tutorial, it really doesn't matter which option you choose. Just make sure you have a document open and ready to edit. Next, let's talk about how to insert an equation, because this function is going to be the basis for adding superscript to your text. At the top of your screen, look for the menu bar and click on the Insert tab. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there you'll want to select Equation. When you do this, a small box will pop up on your document. This box is crucial as it allows you to insert various mathematical symbols, including superscripts. Now that this box is open and ready, let's move on to adding the superscript to your number. For this tutorial, we're working with the number 21, so start by typing 21 into the box. Our next goal is to turn it into the 21st by adding a superscript S and T. If you're using Windows, here's a neat trick. Hold down the Shift key and press the number 6 on your keyboard. You'll notice a small icon, or caret, appears above the cursor in the box. This is the superscript function. What you'll want to do next is type the letter S, followed immediately by T. This will place the S and T in superscript, creating the desired formatting of 21st as 21st. And there you have it. You've successfully added a superscript to your number, turning it from just 21 to the much more formal 21st. This method can be applied to any number you want to convert into its ordinal word form. Remember, with practice, these steps will start to feel second nature, and you'll be able to quickly and efficiently add superscript formatting to any document in Google Docs. Keep these steps handy and feel free to replay this video anytime you need a refresher. Happy writing and enjoy your perfectly formatted documents.